been smart toothbrushes before, but this is the first that actually talks to you inside your mouth while you're brushing. This is the Oclean X Ultra, and this is a Wi-Fi toothbrush that uses bone conduction technology to send messages to you through your teeth into your ear that you can hear if you're putting too much pressure while you're brushing, or maybe you're spending a little bit more time than on one side than another. It just talked to me. Overpressure, it says. So it's correcting you as you're going in the morning, and it also connects to an app, but you don't need the app to be able to get the data in real time and the feedback in your ear. Oclean has been making a few different smart toothbrushes and oral care products over the years. This X Ultra comes not only with the carrying case, but it has mounts that magnetically attach to your mirror. You can choose black or minty green. And the kit comes with 4 of these heads for refills. So it's pretty unique to find a toothbrush that not only has a touch screen you can scroll through, instant results while you're in it, Wi-Fi and bone conduction technology all in one. And they're pricing this at $129 when it comes out later this year in August. So would a toothbrush like this help you get to be a better brusher? If you got real feedback, would you want your toothbrush talking to you? Let me know in the comments, and we'll have to take this out for a spin and test it and see how it goes. Thanks for watching.